If I could wake up tomorrow and wake up 30 again, there's a lot of things that I would do differently. Not because my life has been terrible, not at all. Not because I regret everything, but because some lessons cost me decades to learn. Gosh. First, I would take my health more seriously. At 30, I thought it was bulletproof, man. I wasn't even sure I could die. I thought heart disease was for somebody else. I thought I'm never going to be diabetic. That was for my family, not me, my brothers. I thought you get old and you get fat. Part of it. Totally wrong. But if I could go back, start walking every day, I would lift weights every day, I would eat better, stop treating my body like it had an unlimited chance to be bulletproof. Second, spend less money trying to impress people on Facebook. Most of the stuff I bought didn't even make me happier. Cars, toys, things. Most of it is long gone. The experiences and relationships are what I remember. Then I would worry a lot less about what people think. This one cost me years. When you're younger, you think everybody is watching you, judging you, talking about you. The truth is, most people are too effing busy about their own problems to give a shit about what you're doing. Take the chance, start the business, write the book. Don't just talk about it. Shoot the TikTok. That clock is moving whether you do anything or not. Fourth, I would learn to say no much sooner. I spent too many years trying to keep everybody happy. You know what happens? You end up frickin' exhausted, angry, and then you wonder, where did my life go? It's a complete sentence. It took me a long time to get that through my head, accept it, and spit it out. And finally, would stop waiting for the perfect moment to change my life. That moment is never going to show up. There'll always be a reason to wait, always be an excuse. Not enough money, not enough confidence, not enough experience. You just don't have the time. That's all bullshit. You're going to wake up one day at 57, maybe you already have, and you realize the waiting was a god dang mistake. It's one reason. It's the only reason I'm doing what I'm doing now. Losing weight, getting healthier, I'm sober, building my channel and community, working toward a future with my wife, Sandra, moving to the mountains in Pineda, Colombia, and gonna live on $1,000 a month because it's easier. My life will be better, quieter. I'm done waiting. Maybe that's the biggest lesson of all. Your life's not gonna magically become what you want. You have to start building it. Not next year, not when everything is perfect, because that moment is never going to happen. Today, if you're starting over like me, please follow along, hit the subscribe button. I go live every night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, putting together this group of people who are interested in watching me rebuild my life so they know they can rebuild theirs. I'm an accountability coach and I can help you. My email is in the bio below. If you feel like you could use some help getting started, hit me with an email. I so appreciate you guys watching this, and I see you on the next one.